Good morning, my name is Camila Gaona. I study in the University UNAD in the program Visual Arts of the English class. The receipt. The recipe. Well, we will make Hawaiian pizza. To make this recipe, we will need 1 pound of wheat flour, a spoonful of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon yeast, quarter of butter pizza filling, pineapple, ham, cheese, tomato paste.
Preparation. We stir the ingredients. For the dough, add milk until it becomes a smooth texture. The wheat let it rest for 45 minutes in a mold covered with plastic so that the dough can rise. After 55 minutes, we press the base of one of the wooden pizza wheels. Spread with wet flour so that the dough does not stick and roll out with the rolling pin. Then we spread the tomato paste until it's complete. Cover and add the diced ham. Add the pineapple and finally add the grated cheese and put it in the oven. Wait about 5 minutes and carefully take it out and eat.